The next date of the date has been given by the trial court on 12/5/2024. Even the arrest warrant also issued to the witnesses will not appear in this after receiving the summons also.
Who are you?
Jain sir. Sir, I am SP GPM Bhavna sir.
Madam, what is the problem with the police authorities? Why don't they appear before the court despite of non-bailable warrant issued against your Pradhan Arakshak, head constable?
Sir, I beg your pardon. My lord, I beg your pardon. I understand in this matter certain procedural lapses have happened, my lord. I have assumed charge of the district in the month of March, my lord. After that, my lord, on 4/4/24, bailable warrant was issued.
How many witnesses? Yes, how many witnesses are to be examined on 12/5/2024, day after tomorrow?
Two of them, my lord, Mukesh Rajak and Ashutosh Chaturvedi, my lord. I have passed the directions that they will be present there, my lord. We will ensure that. And I am also looking into why these lapses have happened. I have issued a show cause to the TI, my lord.
देखिए, I'll keep this petition pending and will put it in after vacation to make sure that your witnesses come. Otherwise, if I dispose it off, you will again lose your pace.
My lord, no further lapses will happen, my lord. I assure.
देखिए, MS Maya Chaturvijani, Learned Counsel for the applicant. Shri Ajit Singh, Learned GA for state. MS Bhavna Gupta.
Yes.
MS Bhavna Gupta, Superintendent of Police, District Gorilla Pendra Marwahi, present through video conferencing. On 6/5/2022, looking to the circumstance that despite of 1, 2, 3, 4 opportunities, the witness of the prosecution did not turn up for recording their statement before the learned trial court. The learned trial court, the Superintendent of Police of District GPM was directed to appear before this court either in person or through video conferencing system. MS Bhavna Gupta, SP, submits that there are some lapses on the part of state police authorities in compliance of the order of the trial court in bringing and presenting the witnesses before the learned trial court system. She submits that the case is now fixed on 12/5/2024 and two witnesses, namely, what is the name?
Mukesh Rajak, my lord, and Ashutosh Chaturvedi.
Mukesh Rajak and Ashutosh Rajak would appear before the learned trial court for recording their evidence. He further submits that in future no lapses would be. She assures that in future no lapses of this kind would be repeated. Keeping the submissions made by the SP, her personal presence for the future, for the present, for the next date is dispensed with, that the matter be listed in the first opening week of vacation, after the opening, in the opening week of vacation for further hearing.